Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss how to stretch the piriformis muscle in an alternate position. As you can see, the patient is in prone lying. We have to use this position in order to measure the length of the piriformis as well as to stretch the piriformis muscle. Now it is very simple. We have to flex both knees to 90 degrees and we have to move them in this direction. Now if they are making an angle of 45 degrees from this to this or from this to this on both sides, then 45-degree angle from the starting position is considered to be the normal length of the piriformis. But if it is less than 45 degrees, we can say that the length of the piriformis muscle is compromised, and we can use this to stretch the piriformis. You can use muscle energy technique, you can use any sort of stretching, whether static or dynamic or ballistic or any other technique that you like, and this is a bit more comfortable, but the only problem is that your patients might complain of knee pain if you stress too much. So please remember this: if your patient's knees are in good health, you can use this position, and if your patient cannot make the other position, which is the standard position, then you can use this position. I hope you like this video. If you have any question or comments, do let me know. Thank you very much.